Hey y'all, welcome to Mardi Gras. Today's video is celebrating Mardi Gras. We will be making jambalaya. Let's get right to it. Hey guys, today we are making jambalaya. I'm going to do a doctored up version of a semi-homemade jambalaya. I have green peppers and onions softening up in this pan, and I'm going to be using this zatarains jambalaya mix. And I have on this side over here, I have chicken broth and a tablespoon of oil coming up to a boil over here. My onions and peppers softened up. I moved them to a paper plate, and then now I'm just going to brown my smoked sausage just a little bit. I'm not going to cook this all the way through. Whenever it's done, I'm going to take it out and put it in a separate plate as well. While we're waiting on our broth to heat all the way up, we're going to go ahead and start adding our ingredients. So this is just the mix that came in the box. There is some rice in there and all kinds of different seasoning. Get that in. I'm going to give this a really good stir and get it all incorporated. Next, I'm going to add some tomatoes, and I did not drain them. I just am using the regular petite diced tomatoes. We'll get our onions and peppers in. For our jambalaya, we are going to be adding the smoked sausage. I did not use andouille sausage because my husband doesn't care for that very much. So I just reused regular smoked sausage. I'm going to add some rotisserie chicken. So when I tell you this is semi-homemade, y'all, like, it's just time to get dinner on the table and celebrate a fun holiday. And I've got some shrimp. So we're going to let this come up to a boil, and I'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, we're coming up to a boil. We're going to drop in our smoked sausage and our chicken. We're going to give this a really good stir, get it all broken up and get it mixed together. Now, if you want to, you can put more Cajun seasoning in here. You can put hot peppers like jalapenos, those kinds of things. My husband prefers to add his own level of heat instead of adding it to the whole batch. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to turn this down on low. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it cook for 20 minutes. I'll be back at the 20-minute mark. We're going to add in our shrimp. All right, now it's time to add our shrimp. And we're going to give that a really good stir. And we're going to let this cook for just a little bit longer. Once this finishes up, I'll meet you over on my counter and we'll get it plated up. Okay guys, this is my shortcut jambalaya in honor of Mardi Gras. It was literally from chopping to on the table in 30 minutes. My house is definitely smelling like jambalaya. But oh man, is this stuff good? I can't wait for you guys to give it a try. Thank you so much for celebrating your Mardi Gras with me. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see y'all later.